Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by meeting the basics. Level up to about 60 and gather the entry cost. You need a lightning token first. Once done, farm thunder-type mobs in the Stormlands until you obtain that token or check traders for one. After securing the token, go directly to the Breathmaster at Serpent Shrine and select the Lightning Breathing Exam option. This initiates the unlock sequence. Make sure your inventory has space and you're not in combat before interacting. Once you start the exam, focus on the 3 trial types: timed dodge runs, combo chains, and precision strike tests. Use 1 lightning token at the exam console and follow on-screen prompts. Checkpoints reset if you die, so play cautiously. You'll unlock basic forms as you clear each trial, so practice them immediately on nearby training dummies to learn stamina costs and hit windows. Keep mobility high and watch enemy tells. Lightning relies on finish by upgrading forms. Farm Elite Thunder bosses for breath orbs and exchange them for higher tier techniques. Once unlocked, bind core attacks to comfortable hotkeys and practice chaining short bursts, because lightning is about hit-and-run combos. Conserve stamina between bursts. If your style doesn't appear after the exam, first relog and check inventory to confirm the token was consumed, then retry the Breathmaster exam. If problems persist, clear cache or rejoin the server and repeat the unlock sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.